Well, the new onslaught of rain comes just a day after President Biden declared Wayne County a disaster area from flooding just 3 weeks ago.
And homeowners in and around Detroit barely had a chance to dry out, and now this.
Our Team 7 coverage continues now with 7 Action News reporter Nana St. Ubonsu, and frustration after another round of flooding on Detroit's east side.
Yes, people in Detroit, specifically on the east side, say today's rain just adds insult to injury. Tonight, they are asking city leaders if they will ever get a break from this flooding.
This is too soon. I haven't finished cleaning up the first flood.
For Phyllis Torrance and her neighbors on Chatsworth Street, it feels like round two.
Be careful, go down these steps.
After the flood 3 weeks ago, she bought a water pump that she knew would come in handy.
Hook it up, run it out to the back, and I think within maybe 45 minutes, it got most of the water up.
But as you can see, her floor tiles are damaged and her carpet is rolled over. Others on the city's east side spent their Friday wiping down their basements.
I've been mopping.
Carrie McCoy lives on Warden Street.
I keep running up and down the basement stairs, mopping. I keep a mop bucket and a mop.
While neighbors focus on their homes, leaders say they are on the roads.
Big blue vacuum trucks that are going out and clearing any catch basins that may be blocked and clearing the street of any water.
Gary Brown, the director of Detroit Water and Sewerage Department, says crews were also in neighborhoods dealing with basement flooding. Torrance says this is an issue she's seen get worse over the years.
My father worked for the water board for 30 years, and he always said that the lines in this area are too small for the amount of homes in this area. So why don't they replace or expand them so they can take all this rain?
Brown says she's right.
When it was built for a rainfall 50, 70, 100 years ago. And with global warming, the rain is more intense and more frequent.
He says the city is working on ways to make the system resilient, but replacing pipes is not the answer.
It's because there are 3,000 miles of sewer pipe, and so you can't replace all the pipes.
Torrance says whatever the solution is, she hopes the city comes up with an answer very soon.
Fix it. What did the governor say? Fix the roads, fix the lines.
For anyone across the city who needs help cleaning out their basements with debris, water, whatever the case may be, the city actually has volunteers. Just go to our website for a list of resources. And if you live in surrounding areas, dial 211. For 7 Action News, I'm Nana St. Ubonsu.
All right, thank you so much, Nana.